I really appreciate the high energy of exchange also with these partners. And I mean, appliedAI, at least here in Munich, they have like the monopoly. There's no other choice. I first became aware of appliedAI when Andreas Liebel and Alexander Waldmann, back then 6 years ago, joined us in our new facilities of the Siemens AI lab, and we discussed together how such a partnership would look like. We were back then right about founding the Siemens AI lab. They were back then right about thinking how appliedAI could start. That moment I remember very visibly. I feel honored that with that we were members of the first hour of appliedAI. I think there are two main things which we have achieved in the past years when it comes to AI. One is dissemination of AI use cases. We have quite a track record of doing AI and also selling AI to our customers of almost 3 decades, but it were always like specific use cases. What happened now in the last 5 years was the fact that in every business unit and in every business process, AI has gained traction, and we have identified use cases, we have piloted them, we have driven them towards implementation. So that's the first thing. The second thing is scalability. How can we make sure that AI is also commercially profitable? And we do that via driving scalability, meaning that one use case that is once successful has to be implemented again and again with lower effort, with lower cost also. And that's the second thing we have been working a lot on, and we have also succeeded. The biggest value from the collaboration with appliedAI certainly is the community. Just to join the meetups, to join any kind of events or working groups, experiencing how other people in other companies have the same challenges, face the same situations, and are working on the same solutions, that is highly inspiring and makes my work really effective. And then the second thing is that there's concrete outcome, right? We have been working together on some white papers about, for example, communication and culture, or also about use cases and methodologies, how to identify and prioritize use cases. And we did some maturity assessments, which is also helpful to identify the weaknesses and have a strategic focus on these in order to derive concrete next steps. I think the most important aspect of an AI vision is that we go beyond the first level of AI use cases which we see right now. If you look into it, the use cases we have right now, like predictive maintenance or visual quality inspection, are specific niche process steps which we try to automate by using AI more and more and become, of course, more efficient. The next wave of AI use cases will consist in also AI products which we offer. These are products that could not be offered without AI. It's not just the transition of a manual process to an AI process, but it's really something new. The key features of appliedAI consist in the people. So they have built up the right community of peers of other industry companies in the Munich ecosystem, but also beyond already. I really appreciate the high energy of exchange also with these partners. And I mean, appliedAI, at least here in Munich, they have like the monopoly. There's no other choice. The important thing to remember is that AI is not just another hype. We've learned that 5-6 years ago with the big enthusiasm that we experienced back then, that since then we have raised the expectations, also the business expectations. We have also delivered on these. And now we have the next hype, so to say, the next hype phase with generative AI. It's not going to stay a hype, it will be transformed into true value for us, for our customers, for the whole ecosystem. So in the end, AI is here to stay.